2026 Main China Any Apni Military Aerospace Technology Ko Ekne Dor Main Dakil Kar Dia Hai. Jahan Danaya Ku Tamam Mulk 5th or 6th generation jets Ki Taraf Bar Rahi Hain, Wahan China Any Be Apni fighter jets or missile technology Main Ace Updates Lay Hain Jo use superpower level key military capability Main Dakil Kar Deet Hain. People's Liberation Army Air Force, Yani PLAF, any 2026 Ko Andar Apni existing fighter fleet Ko upgrade Karn Kasath Ne stealth aircrafts or hypersonic missile systems introduce Kai Hain. Yi modernization surf defensive strategy Ka Hissa Nahi Bal K Asia Pacific region main strategic dominance Hazal Karn Ka Hissa Hai. In technologies Ka Asli Maksad surf Dushman par psychological or military pressure Dalna Nahi, Bal A battlefield par superior control Hazal Karna Bihai. Agar Hum Saps advanced Chinese fighter jet Ki Bot Carrion to Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon Sab Se Peli Zahan Main Adahai. 2026 Ku version main is jet main stealth coating or airframe design Ko or Baitar Banaya Gaya Hai. Jet key body carbon fiber composites Se Banay Gai Hai. Jo use radar Se Chupin main Medad Kardi Hai. Iski wing edges Ko or Zyada angled Banaya Gaya High Talk radar waves Uspar reflect Naho Sakian. Engine air intakes Ko be redesigned Kia Gaya High Talk thermal signatures minimize Hojayan. Isnay variant main dual DSI intakes Kusath WS 15 engines Lagai Gay Hain. Jo afterburner Kubina be supercruise key capability Rakdi Hain. Exterior par paint be radar absorbent material Ka use Karka Lagai Gai Hai. Jisa Ram Kate Hain. Jo aircraft Ko high frequency radar waves Se Bachata Hai. J-20 Ku cockpit Ka design fully digital or stealth oriented Hai. Pilot Kasamni Ek panoramic glass cockpit Hoda Hai Jahan Sab. Kuch digital multifunction displays Kuzari I operate Hoda Hai. Helmet-mounted display system, voice command input or AI-assisted flight control is cockpit Ku major features Hain. Jet Ka fly-by-wire control system or artificial intelligence-based battle assistance system pilot Ko real-time threat analysis or weapon targeting main help Karda Hai. Cockpit key design ergonomic high-talk pilot fatigue Cam Ho or long missions main focus Bana Rahi. Internal weapon bay Ka design be stealth maintain Karn Kuliye enclosed Raka Gaya Hai. Jahan multiple air-to-air or air-to-ground missiles Rakai Ja Saktain. Yahan advanced cooling system be Lagaya Gaya high-talk avionics overheat Nahan. J-20 Mighty Dragon Ku performance aspects Bohat High Zyada advanced Hain. The aircraft Mach 2 Se Zyada key speed achieve Kar Sakta High or 2,000 km Se Zyada combat range Rakta High without refueling. Iska Supercruise Mode Enemy radar systems Ko confuse Karda High or stealth capabilities Kasath combined Iska speed advantage battlefield main Bohat High powerful impact Delta High. WS 15 turbofan engines jet Ko high thrust to weight ratio Deet Hain Jo dogfights main superior agility or vertical climb capability Deet Hain. Aircar